know that manufacturing is a huge consumer of electricity in the province, and we realise that there's lots of opportunities to reduce energy waste and help them improve their profitability. BC Hydro has what we call a Power Smart Alliance, which is a broad network of registered energy efficiency professionals who are available to work with our customers. We have a range of offers, including online tools, energy assessments, and financial incentives.
So the first step when we come to a manufacturing facility is to walk the customer through their electricity bill so they understand how they're being charged for electricity. Energy charges, demand charges, all that has to come together and make sense for the customer. Talking with Deb was really informative because we learned about the type of equipment that they're using at EBCO, what kind of operations they're doing, so we can better understand how they use energy and what opportunities are available to save that energy.
Manufacturing matters to British Columbia. It's the third largest employer and the fourth largest contributor to provincial GDP.
400,000 jobs here in British Columbia, which is far greater than most people imagine. Every dollar spent in manufacturing actually contributes $3 to the local economy.
We thought it would be a fantastic opportunity to get a snapshot of how are we doing right now. We know that we can be more energy efficient, but we're not quite sure exactly how.
So after we had our initial conversation with Dev, we went down to the manufacturing floor and started looking around. More metal halide lighting here, and then we've got some fluorescence over in this area. Let's take a look at that.
For sure, yeah.
The simplest, most practical opportunities for EBCO involved lighting and compressed air upgrades. They're using metal halide and they're using T12 fluorescent. And both of those styles of fixture can be upgraded. You can go with a T8 bulb with an electronic ballast. It's going to use less energy and it's going to give you an improved quality of life. In the compressor room, they're using an older style of compressor that uses a lot of energy even when it's not producing a lot of air. Your compressors are only at about 60% capacity on air demand, but you're actually using about 90% of the power demand. We found a lot of areas where compressed air was leaking from fittings and from cracked hoses, and that will constantly be costing your company money as long as the system is pressurized. This is a really easy way to save by repairing those leaks. So if you're using it for something like blowdown or general cleanup, it ends up costing a lot more than if they were able to use a broom. I think it was important for Dev to get a fresh set of eyes looking at these opportunities because it's something that he may not have considered before. You've also got some opportunities in some areas to go with either an occupancy sensor or even a daylighting control.
It does make a difference. It will improve EBCO. I was, surprised to see that, there's still opportunity there, right? And it was so simple.
From what we found today, we'll be producing a report for EBCO that goes over those opportunities in detail, and they can take the low and no cost opportunities and implement them right away. Then there's going to be longer term, larger capital investments that they can go for as well. They can secure incentive funding from BC Hydro and then go ahead and engage with a lighting or compressed air vendor to upgrade that equipment.
The competition is very fierce. Things are going through China for manufacturing, it's going to India.
BC Hydro's Power Smart program will help companies become more competitive by helping them with their energy efficiency and reducing costs.
There are more reasons than just the bottom line to be energy efficient. Customers do want to support somebody who is actively trying to conserve energy.
It's very easy for customers and manufacturers to get involved. It's as simple as picking up a phone and making a call to one of our PowerSmart business customer representatives. Our agents are there to help our business customers take advantage of the program.